Hello, Mariah here from childcareresources.ca. In this tutorial, we'll be going over some of the basics on how to edit your daycare parent handbook using Google Docs. If you prefer a written tutorial with images, look for a link in the description below. To start, click on this link in your downloaded PDF. Note, you will need a free Google account to do this. The template opens as a view-only doc. Please do not request edit access. Instead, follow the directions here in red. Click File, then choose Make a Copy. Change the file name, then select where you would like to save it, and then click Make a Copy. This is now your copy of the Parent Handbook template, and it is ready to be edited. Deleting a page. Once you have read through this first page, select all of the text and click Delete. This will move up the page below so that your cover page is now your first page of the document. There will also be no header or footer shown like there is on the following pages. Replacing text. Throughout the template, anything highlighted in blue needs to be swapped out to your business details. The easiest and quickest way to swap out where it says your business name is to highlight the text, then select Edit and choose Find and Replace. Now in this box here for Replace With, type in the name of your daycare and then select Replace All and close this window. Now throughout the document, anywhere that had said your business name has now been changed to whatever you wrote into that box. The same process can be used for any other words here in the template. Editing the header. To update the header, click in this area up here. Select this filler image and choose Edit to change this to your own logo. To upload your logo, select the image icon, then drag and drop your logo here into the box. Resize it to match the filler image shown, and then delete this image and click Save and Close. Your logo will now appear here at the top of the page along with the rest of the tops of the pages throughout the document. Editing the footer. To make changes to the footer, double-click in this area here. Your business name should already be here from our earlier edit. The next thing to update is the last update date. Set this to either today's date or whichever date this handbook will become active. This is a handy thing to have in your document so that you know if a parent is using the most current version or if they are referencing an older one. Before exiting the footer, we are also going to remove this blue highlight since we've updated all the information. Highlight all of the text and then choose this highlight color and select None. The highlight has now been removed from all of the footers throughout the document. These page numbers auto-populate, so nothing needs to be done with them. They will automatically update whenever a page is added or deleted. Table of Contents. This table of contents also auto-populates based on any text that has been styled as a heading. To add to the table, we'll scroll down and do a test one. Down here, we're going to pretend that we are adding a new heading called Daycare Hours. Once we have typed in our text, highlight it, and up here in the menu where it says Normal Text, click the drop down and choose one of the headings. All of the headings in this document are use heading 1. So we're going to select that one, and you can see it automatically changes the font size and font style. Now we scroll back up to our table of contents Select the table and click on this arrow here. It will refresh the table. And now underneath birthdays, we see daycare hours has been added in. If we go back down and delete it, you can see it's here still. So to change that, we refresh the table again. And now it has been removed. A neat feature that is also available is that the table of contents automatically links to where the heading is located without you needing to do anything or needing to scroll. So if we select here, you can see a link shows up, and if we click it, it automatically brings us all the way to page 6 where that heading is located. So it saves time if you're looking for a specific policy within your document. Policies. The following 20 pages are filled with 45 pre-written policies for your daycare. Please read through all of them carefully, deleting the ones that aren't needed and adjusting the others so that they fit your business and adhere to your local regulations. Remember to set your headings to the heading 1 style as you go, then updating your table of contents at the end. A handy feature within Google Docs is being able to link to headings within the document. To do this, highlight the text you would like to link. Go up here to the menu and select Insert Link. Now if we start typing in the heading title, there'll be options appear down below. This here notes that it's a heading. If we click that, it'll automatically create the link. So now when we select that text, it'll bring us to where that heading is located within the document, similar to how the table of contents did before. Once you're done all of your updates, it is time to download your document, saving as a PDF. When ready, head to the file, then select Download, and then choose PDF. Your parent handbook is now ready to be printed off or emailed out to your daycare families. The internal heading links I mentioned earlier will all still work. If there's anything we didn't cover in this video that you would like to know more about, please reach out to us. We're always happy to help.